it's too many cleaning businesses out there to the point where you can't compete?
Absolutely not. And that, to me,
Right.
absolutely not.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble eye beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Don't flash it for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
Now I heard you say that the residential was kind of your first thing. What would you say is the easiest way, or a couple different ways you think would be some good ways to get residential clients? Because somebody asked me about it the other day. I'm more of a commercial guy, and I did a video on it, but I'd love to hear some of your tips on it.
Yeah, so one of my ways is being visible. I would say just, and I didn't do this a lot early on. You got to post, man, pictures, videos, whatever. The more you post, the more, it stays in people's minds. AJ, you posting all day, man. Every
All
time I
day.
get on, you got something. You know what I mean?
You
And it
too, though. You
stays
too.
fresh in my mind. That's what it's like. I just told my fiance yesterday. I was like, man, I got to get this AJ stuff, man. I got to get it. I got to get it. But yeah, I think postings, I mean, it's social media. It's free. You don't pay anything for it. And I've made some terrible mistakes with paying for leads. I think that was, paying for the wrong marketing channels.
Right.
I'll say that. And some of them you talk about in your past videos, and I made them mistakes, man. But like I said, realtors, they're great. Maybe give them their own like discount, code for their all of their clients, and they could utilize that discount, and it's exclusive to them. You know what I mean? All your clients can use this. I know that helped me a lot, and they feel good. And what else did I do for residential? Property management companies went in and dropped off business cards. Like I said, it may not be a right now, but it's definitely a we will need you, because it's high turnover, and they're always looking for new cleaning companies because the company they're using, they may not show up. They may have, but yeah, man, I just get after it. I just get after it. Airbnb.
Yeah.
Find people who are looking for Airbnb, cleaning, brokers, real estate brokers, people who even in the same, sort of industry in terms of home services. So I was partnering. I know a guy here in Chicago. He does glass. I know a home inspector, and you utilize those as center of influences. Uh, you know what I mean? So center of influences help a lot as well. So.
Okay.
But yeah, the residential side is much easier than the commercial side. I will say that. So to
Okay.
gain clients.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
how do you feel about because somebody asked me this not too long ago, market saturation? Like, do you feel like it's too many cleaning businesses out there to the point where you can't compete?
Absolutely not. And that, to me,
Right.
absolutely not.
I tried to keep a
Absolutely
straight
not.
face when I asked that.
Yeah, absolutely not, man. This is a 78, I think, $billion company, and I don't limit myself. I don't even think about my competition. When it comes to my competition, I see, what are they doing better than me, and how could I, either compete with that? How could I make my company better? Um, yeah, but in terms of market saturation, nah, not at all, man. There's so much out there, man. Not at all. We do have those companies who undercut you and who may get some of those clients who are, looking for the best deal. But that's where you have to, truly realize the value in your company.
Yeah.
Because when I first started out, it's a little intimidating when you first starting out. You may not, you know, uh, give them the right price, and you may
Right.
lowball them just to get the deal. Like, man, if I go too high, then I'm gonna lose it.
Right.
Then you end up bidding low, and then you stuck on a job. Then you there, like, man, you're not really making too much money. So I made those mistakes early on, but now
Right.
I said what I said. No, no, price
Right.
that, man, because I know the value. You know the value that you provide, and you provide a service that backs up, your pricing. Then people won't have a problem with that.
Right, absolutely. Appreciate you for really taking the time out for this. You didn't have to do it. I can't wait to get you in Clean Biz Network. We're definitely gonna get you in there. And anybody interested in getting started, check out cleanbizstarterkit.com. It's AJ Simmons, Brandon Orr. I appreciate y'all. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.